the importance of today's events is that the university's commitment to Torres Strait Islander people reconciliation, and the university has been actually very serious about this for a good number of years, and it's great and privilege and pride for me to be standing here joining the flag raising ceremonies, and especially when the flag is flying with so many different flags of importance and significance to the country.
It's very important to recognise the Torres Strait Islander community in institutions like the University of Queensland, to ensure that we are two distinctive indigenous groups, and my folks are part of the constitution of this country and are being recognised formally through hoisting the flag, and there's a sign to local students to ensure that our presence is being accepted in the university grounds, and we have a good opportunity here to learn about what we're here to achieve.
I think there's a number of things when it comes to what we've just seen and witnessed in regards to raising the Torres Strait Islander flag. One, there's an acknowledgement of Torres Strait Islanders in this space here at UQ, and knowing that they make up another part of this Indigenous culture that we have here in Australia. Two, there's almost a recognition of Torres Strait Islander culture and its people. And to some degree what the Torres Strait Islanders have done for our Indigenous people here in Australia, especially when we look at issues around Mabo and how that has changed the landscape when it comes to native title. So I think what we've done here in regards with raising the flag has got some real significance and importance when it comes to Torres Strait Islanders studying, not only studying in this space at UQ, but also working.
Yeah, I think the symbolism of seeing the flag being at UQ and that it has a place up here in particular is important, not only just for Torres Strait people, but it's important for non-Indigenous people to see that there is a presence, a continuing presence of Torres Strait people, both here in Brisbane as well as within the Torres Strait.
Yeah, look, the importance of flying these flags, and particularly the Torres Strait Islander flag, it demonstrates UQ's recognition that Torres Strait Islanders are First Nations peoples, promotes a sense of community partnership, and it also recognises UQ's commitment towards reconciliation. Being so far away from the Torres Strait Islanders, we want to make sure that we promote and make it highly visible, a welcoming environment for them, so when they come onto our campus, okay, we want to make sure that they know that they're welcome on our campus and they're recognised as an important part of UQ's strategy going forward.
Well, I think for me that it symbolises the inclusiveness of the Torres Strait Islander community here within the University of Queensland, and that wherever I walk in the university I can see my mob and my country represented by the flag. So for my mind it's, well, a small thing to a number of other people, for me it's quite important.
Oh, it's just always nice to see the Torres Strait Islander flag flying. It's not something that used to happen a lot in my day at this university, which was about 20 years ago, and it rarely happened on special occasions, and it was sort of at that point where flag raisings and flying of the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander flag during those weeks like NAIDOC week, like Reconciliation week, they were only just sort of starting out. So it's always important for me that whenever I see the Torres Strait Islander flag particularly, it's a lot of pride. I feel like I'm represented. I feel like the space that I'm in is my own, and that's kind of what it means to me when I see the flag.